Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove this Grimace Shake on your CapCut. So as we all know, this Grimace Shake is trending right now on TikTok, but if you want to remove this one, so just screenshot this video right here, for example. And then once you took the screenshot, so all you need to do now is go to your Google Chrome. So try to search for an application that can remove that Grimace Shake. So just search for the photo room, and once you've done, so tap on search and you just have to choose this link here. And then once you've done, you can see the main page of this photo room, and then you want to scroll down until you find this objects remove objects with a swipe. So click on remove objects, and then you can actually drop the image right here. You can click or tap on start from photo and try to choose the Grimace Shake photo here, and then tap on done at the top right. And here all you need to do is just brush it to swipe out or erase that Grimace Shake on this image. As you can see here, it's very simple and easy to use this tool right here. So if you were done, so you just need to wait for a few seconds here. Then finally here, as you can see, that Grimace Shake has removed from this photo. So that's how you basically remove Grimace Shake on your CapCut. You can tap on these three dots for more, and then you can share it on your CapCut app. So that's how you basically remove Grimace Shake on your CapCut. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.